Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Maintaining high energy levels is essential for productivity and well-being in today's fast-paced world. Anemia, a condition characterized by a lack of healthy red blood cells, can lead to fatigue and weakness, making it crucial to address both energy and anemia through nutrition. In this video, we will explore 8 specific foods that boost your energy and help combat anemia. Viewers can expect to learn about these foods' nutritional benefits, how they enhance vitality, and practical tips for incorporating them into your diet. By understanding the role of nutrition in sustaining energy and health, you can make informed choices that empower your daily life. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Liver and red meat. Liver and red meat are powerhouse foods for boosting energy and fighting anemia. Both are rich in iron, a vital mineral that helps produce hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Additionally, they are excellent sources of vitamin B12, which plays a crucial role in red blood cell formation and overall energy metabolism. Incorporating these foods into your diet can enhance your body's ability to produce healthy red blood cells, reducing fatigue and improving vitality. However, it's essential to consume them in moderation and opt for lean cuts to minimize saturated fat intake while still reaping the benefits of these nutrient-dense foods. Spinach and Swiss chard. Spinach and Swiss chard are leafy greens that pack a powerful punch for boosting energy levels and preventing anemia. Both are rich in iron, essential for red blood cell production, and other vital nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, and folate. These nutrients work together to enhance overall health and vitality. Incorporating leafy greens into a balanced diet can improve your energy levels and support your body's ability to combat anemia. You can easily add spinach and Swiss chard to smoothies, salads, or stir-fries, or use them as a nutritious base for omelets and pasta dishes. You can enjoy their numerous health benefits by making these greens a regular part of your meals. Legumes, lentils, and beans. Legumes, like lentils and beans, are fantastic energy boosters with many nutritional benefits. They are rich in fiber and protein, which help keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing sustained energy throughout the day. The high fiber content also plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes, and promoting overall health. Incorporating legumes into your meals is simple and versatile. You can whip up a hearty lentil soup, toss beans into a colorful salad, or create a delicious bean chili. Additionally, blending lentils into veggie burgers or using them in wraps can add a nutritious twist to your favorite dishes, making it easy to enjoy their energy-boosting properties. Seafood, oysters, clams, mussels, tuna, salmon, and sardines. Seafood, including oysters, clams, mussels, tuna, salmon, and sardines, offers numerous benefits for enhancing energy and combating anemia. These foods are rich in iron, essential for red blood cell production, and high in omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and support for brain health. Incorporating seafood into a balanced diet can improve overall vitality and help maintain healthy energy levels. Additionally, choosing sustainable seafood options benefits your health and supports environmental conservation. Look for labels indicating sustainable practices, or consider local sources to ensure you're making eco-friendly choices. By enjoying a variety of seafood, you can nourish your body while contributing to a healthier planet. Nuts. Nuts are a fantastic energy source and play a supportive role in preventing anemia. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and iron, they provide a nutrient-dense snack that can help sustain energy levels throughout the day. Almonds, cashews, and pistachios are particularly beneficial due to their higher iron content, making them excellent choices for those looking to boost their iron intake. Additionally, walnuts and hazelnuts offer omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to overall health. However, it's essential to enjoy nuts in moderation, as they are calorie-dense. A small handful can provide a satisfying and nutritious boost without overloading calories. Incorporating a variety of nuts into your diet can enhance your energy and support your body's nutritional needs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse that can significantly boost energy levels and help fight anemia. They are rich in high-quality protein essential for muscle repair and energy production. Additionally, eggs are an excellent source of vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient for red blood cell formation and maintaining energy metabolism. Their versatility makes them a fantastic addition to various meals and snacks. You can enjoy them scrambled, poached, or boiled, or as an ingredient in baked goods. Eggs can easily fit into your daily routine, whether in a hearty breakfast, a light lunch salad, or a quick snack. Considering their numerous health benefits, incorporating eggs as a staple can enhance your diet and support your energy needs. Tofu and soy. Tofu and soy products are excellent sources of plant-based protein and iron, making them valuable additions to any diet, especially for those looking to boost energy levels and prevent anemia. Rich in essential amino acids, tofu provides a complete protein source that supports muscle health and energy production. Additionally, soy products like edamame and tempeh are packed with iron, which is crucial for red blood cell formation. This makes them particularly important for vegetarians and vegans who may need alternative sources of these nutrients. To incorporate tofu and soy into your meals, add cubed tofu to stir fries, blend silken tofu into smoothies, or snack on roasted edamame. These versatile ingredients can enhance your diet while supporting your energy and health. Quinoa. Quinoa is often hailed as a superfood due to its impressive nutritional profile, making it an excellent choice for boosting energy and combating anemia. This ancient grain is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, which is particularly beneficial for those seeking plant-based protein sources. Additionally, quinoa is rich in iron, which is necessary for red blood cell production and high energy levels. Its gluten-free nature makes it suitable for individuals with gluten sensitivities, and its versatility allows it to be incorporated into various meals. You can enjoy quinoa as a base for salads, in soups, or as a side dish. Encouraging viewers to try quinoa as a healthy grain alternative can enhance their diets and support overall well-being. The importance of various foods in boosting energy levels and combating anemia. From nutrient-rich options like liver and red meat to the power of leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard, each food is vital in enhancing your overall health. We also highlighted the benefits of legumes, seafood, nuts, eggs, tofu, soy, and quinoa, all of which can contribute to a balanced diet. We encourage you to incorporate these energy-boosting foods into your meals for better vitality and well-being. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share this video for more content on nutrition and health. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights for a healthier lifestyle.